Are you having trouble logging into Pinterest? Follow these steps to fix the issue. First, ensure that you are entering the correct email and password. Double check your credentials for accuracy, including any uppercase or lowercase characters. If you have forgotten your password, tap Forgot Password on the login page to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your email to recover your account. Check if Pinterest is down for maintenance or experiencing server issues. Visit their social media pages for updates. Clear the app's cache to remove any corrupted files that could be causing the error. If you have logged into multiple Pinterest accounts, make sure you are using the correct one. If necessary, log out of all accounts and try logging back in. If you are still unable to log in, contact Pinterest support team for personalized assistance. Were you able to log in successfully? Let us know in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.